Very good morning to all the student community. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our student, Ruth Daniel. So she was preparing with us in the live online program for NET-JRF. In that series, she qualified the NET-LS in very first attempt with very good score. And she was preparing for the interviews, and the team of A.S.S. Science Foundation was guiding her regarding the research proposal and interview at all the IITs, ISM, and other universities. In that series, the Ruth Daniel have got final selection in the PhD program in environmental sciences under the Department of Environmental Science and Engineering at Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Dhanbad, or famously known as ISM Dhanbad. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S. Science Foundation would like to congratulate Ruth Daniel and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering programs for NET-JRF environmental sciences in offline, online correspondence with video and only correspondence mode. The institute is also offering GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and GATE Ecology Evolution in online, offline, and correspondence with video mode. The institute also providing the training for all the other PhD entrances under environmental sciences. The institute is also providing the concrete guidance for master entrances at life science and environmental science level, including the IIT JAM and TFR, NCBS, ISC. One of our team who specialize in research proposal and all the other activity like interview is guiding student for the PhD in USA or European country if they are willing to join the program. And the interview guidance is also available for the same. So those who are interested, they can reach us. So once again, our team congratulate Ruth Daniel for such a remarkable feat. We wish her good luck. Thank you.